baby. Your gift.
Saan yung gift? Nari gift?
Also, there's I like that. I like butterfly. Butterfly.
Basaha, basaha.
Kung sa may message yan eh.
Mana rin basa rin?
Wala. Ano yung message?
Sige, basaha ang message. Kasi ko kabasa.
I guess a police car is a picture.
And then, what is the message of this police?
Just a
Okay.
picture that is a police car.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much for this gift, baby. What is this? Color.
A pencil. So that you can
Imo ade aki.
write over here.
Mana? Imo ako nan.
This one.
Ibasa nimo.
Okay, so that I can
Mana?
travel anywhere in the world.
Apa de? O kunan ko no apa?
What is this? Hala, kang kunan. Wow. Di basaha aki, bi. Hindi ko
Okay,
kabasa.
okay.
Sige na.
Say something. Birthday, happy day. Happy birthday, happy day. This is your song. This is your song. Happy birthday, happy
Loko pembuang.
day. Happy birthday, happy day. I love you forever. We have fun in your birthday.
What? Kunan, na?
Mama,
Okay, na-apply later din.
Mama G, I love you so much. You are the best grandmother in the world.
Wow.
Thank you, Mama
Thank
G.
Tago lagi ka.
Thank you, Mama G.
Wow, asam tos kunan.
Taro, nagpalayo.
Mama,
Taro, kunan.
Hatang,
Thank you love for the gift.
Mang Gusto.
Atong kantali mo kunan. Happy birthday ni
Kay
Hindi
Brad.
ko kabasa ko ang mga spelling.
Sige, ikaw basa ka na.
Mama G, I love you so much. You are the best grandmother in the world. Thank you, Mama G. Gihatag nimo mo nako ang gusto nako. Mama G, I thank you mag-neighbors ta. You are the real grandmother na tagunte ka imong gusto.
Hatagan ko niya sa akong gusto. Okay.
Sa madali.
Unsa man na? Dito ka ng mga heart pagkadunting. Ay, kisa may nagunting ana.
Ako gagunting ani. Ako